This video shows the Keynote Manager's Information Link feature. Information Link is a pro version only feature, and what it does is it allows you to link your Keynote to any sort of external data that you choose. For example, we've got our ceiling tiles here. Let's say we've got a specification started and set up for this. All I've got to do is right click on the specification and hit add link, or on that Keynote, and hit add link. I'm going to name this specification. In the dialog box that comes up, you can see I've got my key value and my key text, just as a reminder of what I'm adding a link to. Okay, so I'm going to name it specification. This name doesn't matter other than it's just something for you to remember what it is that you're linking to. I can type an HTML address or a file system address in here, and I'm just going to browse and select my example specification here. Puts in my path for you. You can also manually type in the path if you so choose. Okay, so once I've done that, now this square edge ceiling tile here has got a specification link in it. When I right click from then on, if there's a link available, this little links menu at the bottom will pop up and there's specification. Once again, that's just the name that I gave it. It's something I can call it whatever I want to. It's just whatever makes sense to me. So I click on that specification and it starts up the it opens the file that it's linked to in whatever its default application is, in this case Word, since it's a Word document specification. If I link to a picture, it'll open in Windows Picture Viewer or whatever you've got set up to open pictures of that file format or whatever. So I can very quickly then link to my specification. I can also maybe add another link and call it manufacturer website, and since we don't have a real manufacturer, I'm going to link to my site, even though I don't actually make ceiling tiles, and click OK. I can also copy and paste that address in, but now I've got the manufacturer website. When I do that, it gives me Explorer, which is my default browser, and goes straight to that web link. And there's my web page. Obviously, if you're looking for a real manufacturer, you would link to the regular manufacturer's web page, but you can see how it's very quick to add a link and then quickly link to everything related to that specification section or that particular keynote. I've also got an option here for manage links. This will bring me up this dialog box. It will show me all the links that I have associated with that particular keynote, what the link path is here and what the link name is here. I can add more, edit, or delete any of them. Very basic. And you've also got the same add link and manage links up in the external data menu up here. And that, in a nutshell, is how you do information link feature of Keynote Manager.